Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to go over BBC dropshipping, give you a little tutorial, and show you how you can use them to source, brand, and ship your e-com products. We're going to jump right into it, and it's all about BBC dropshipping. I'm going to show you how to partner with them the right way. And one of the biggest challenges with dropshipping is finding winning products while maintaining a proper balance. That balance being fast, professional experience that customers expect from a real brand. We need fast shipping, we need great experience, we need great products, we need great margins, we need all of that at the same time. And I'm going to show you how BBC dropshipping is going to help you, whether you're doing Shopify stores or TikTok shops. If you're a seller on either of those platforms, BBC dropshipping can help you find trending products that are going to sell. They'll fulfill the orders for you, and they'll create a more branded customer experience so you could take your dropshipping business to the next level. But there are definitely some pain points that you run into when you want to start dropshipping on Shopify or on TikTok Shop, and sellers often depend on random supplier catalogs. They don't really know if a product has any demand. They don't know if it's in good quality. They don't know if it is going to be consistent. And worse than that, long and unpredictable international shipping times, they can kill a brand. They could increase complaints, they could increase refund requests, they could increase chargebacks. Like I said, they could literally destroy an entire brand if you have bad shipping. And even worse, generic packaging, third-party tracking pages makes it difficult to position yourself as a legitimate brand in the direct-to-commerce space, right? We want to be selling to customers. We want them to trust us. It's hard to do that with these, kind of generic packaging and third-party tracking pages that other dropshippers expect their customers to use. So I'm going to show you the solution to all of these problems. I'm going to show you BBC dropshipping. It's a really, really great option, and you see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder. You see bbcdropshipping.com, and you'll literally be able to turn your store into cash. They are an all-in-one partner for turning store traffic into real sales. You see over 43,000 clients, over 2.3 million orders shipped, with over $91 million in total sales. The fact of the matter is BBC Dropshipping knows exactly how to find those best-selling products. Right? They're going to be able to bring your store the hottest, fastest-moving products, and they'll be able to do it consistently. Every single day, they're going to handpick from the top TikTok sellers, the top Shopify trends, and you'll be able to ride the wave before anyone else. You'll get those hot products into your store and get them drop-shipped with BBC dropshipping. Many of those products are already in their global warehouses with no minimum orders, ready to just be added into your store. Doesn't matter if you're brand new at dropshipping or you have years of experience. It's all about making it super easy to find best-selling products. And this is an all-in-one solution, right? They're going to source the product, they're going to do fulfillment, they're going to actually send out the product for you, and of course, you'll basically do no work. Once you make the sale, everything else happens with BBC dropshipping. Right? Really, really powerful. Again, you see the link directly below this video. If you want to find winning products, if you want to do dropshipping the right way, you absolutely need to use this. You need to sign up, click that link below, and you'll be able to search through tons and tons of different products over here. I mean, the list goes on and on and on, and we see where they're going to ship from. We could even do different types of countries, and you'll be able to go and filter in as soon as you register. All right, so again, you see the link directly below this video. You'll be able to jump right into BBC dropshipping. It's highly, highly recommended. Now let's take a look at the marketplace over the shoulder. Really, really powerful. First of all, we could sort by product type, and BBC dropshipping does a great job of curating and categorizing the products into different categories. You have things like product type filtering, like new arrivals, hot, which is really good, discounts, ones that are on sale right now. You see ship from countries, where we have China, United States, United Kingdom. I'll show you the tracking page too. It doesn't even matter if products come from China or overseas. The tracking page will be fully English language, won't show any Chinese language or locations. Again, I'll show you that later on in this video. So you could filter by ship from. You could take a look through all these different categories, right? Maybe you want to do pets, maybe you want to do food and beverage, maybe you want to do men's, women's underwear, right? All these different categories. Or of course you could just search or scroll through here. You could even put price minimum and maximum. And it's really as easy as just kind of looking through the products. See, we have great videos over here for these products, right? really easy for us to immediately start selling these products and have great assets for things like Facebook marketing and all that great stuff. You see all the different products out here, right? You can literally scroll for hours upon hours and just look at all these different great products to add to your store. And when you're interested in a product, you can go and click on a product, and it's going to open it up in the product detail page. You see if there's a video, you could play the video. So we got a nice little video over there. You see all the different information, for example, the price, right? It's going to cost us $16.10, ships from China. We have different ways to ship from or ship to. We see our different shipping methods and our total costs in terms of $24.59, all inclusive. This is shipping to the United States, right? And it's really powerful. You could actually click in it and see other shipping methods as well, right? So you have tons of different shipping lines and shipping options when you want to get these products shipped to your US-based customers. Not to mention that great tracking page as well. Shipping is never going to be an issue. So you see all these different products. You could add to my products. You could also buy samples. Really cool. You could actually get these in your hands. They already have great videos and photos, but maybe you want to go and use it for yourself or make some creative video yourself. You could buy a sample, get it shipped directly to you. See, it's got the product description and specifications already in here as well. And we could add this product to our store for something like $40 and make a really nice profit margin. You see over here, we can go and click Add to My Products, and it adds to your list. You'll basically want to go through this and create a big product list. That's the whole idea here. We want to have a nonstop flow of great products, right? Maybe we come over here and we go into the pets category. We could take a look at what's going to come up over here, and you see we have some more information. We can click into it. You see this only costs us $1.60 for this portable washable hair remover. It's got videos, it's got images, right? And if we're interested in it, go over here, and again, it ships to tons of different countries. We're going to come over here and see it shipped, including shipping $8.14. So if we like that, add to my products. Again, we're building that big list because when we have these products in our list, we're able to add them into our store and have everything going consistently. We want to always be adding products. And again, take full advantage of the marketplace here. It's really, really powerful, and it's got so many hot sellers for your store. Another really great part of BBC dropshipping, order tracking. And a lot of times when you do dropshipping, you can lose a lot of trust when you send them to a tracking page with a lot of Chinese language things. They can't understand what's going on. It doesn't seem trustworthy. Watch how powerful this is. Go ahead and put in an order number right over here and click Track Order. And this is all built into BBC dropshipping. You see it's got the delivered note order number. It's got a little kind of icon setting here to see exactly where they're at in the process. They'll see when it's ordered, when it's processing, right? They can keep coming back to this track page and put in their order number, and they'll see eventually that it's in transit, out for delivery, etc. They'll see shipping info. They'll see tracking history, right? And you see delivered over here, and they can even get right to customer support right on this page. So it's actually really, really valuable. When you think about dropshipping, able to give a fully branded English language, easy to understand tracking page. This is another benefit of BBC dropshipping. When customers go to this page and track their order, it's a high level of trust, right? They don't see anything about leaving China or China warehouses or any Chinese language or anything like that. All they see is the English tracking history, English tracking icons, English tracking info. It's a really, really great feature, and one that a lot of dropshippers simply don't have. BBC dropshipping is trusted by the top e-com brands and platforms worldwide. You see Shopify, TikTok Shop, WooCommerce. They're trusted by over 4,000 growing brands. And with BBC dropshipping, you're going to get higher quality standards. 99.5% of our products pass quality inspection. Industry average is only 85%. So you're going to get better quality products. They perform strict quality checks before shipping anything out. You're going to get dedicated team service. You'll have a dedicated account manager. You could even do fully custom packaging and put your logo on products. This is a huge, huge help. BBC dropshipping assists you in building your long-term brand. There's multiple shipping channels, so you can make sure you're getting the most competitive rates there and making sure that everything is moving quickly, even during peak seasons. There's also product improvement. You can improve products based on real-world feedback. Maybe you have a hot-selling product that gets a lot of feature requests. You could literally work with BBC dropshipping to do that. They could even provide 3D design solutions for upgraded product versions. Of course, there's that fast delivery in 3 to 5 days to key markets, and there's warehouses all over the world. Perfect for scaling without long wait times or customs delays. So really number one option over here. You see tons and tons of big sellers are using BBC dropshipping and tons and tons of 5-star reviews as well. It's all about getting that product from their warehouse to your customer as quickly as possible without you needing to do anything, without you needing to even lift a finger. Really, really powerful. Also, a big shout out to their customer support, always available for their sellers. But it's highly recommended. You could have an amazing dropshipping store with winning products as soon as you sign up for BBC Dropshipping. All you need to do, click the link directly below this video. Jump right in over here. You see Get Started for free. Click that button. Get your free account and get access to BBC Dropshipping's massive catalog of dropship products. Highly recommended. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to drop a comment directly below this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally. But I hope this video helps you build a huge dropshipping business. If you have any questions, again, leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more e-com videos. And most importantly, I'll see ya in my next vidya.